Hello everyone, what is up? I am Pranav Gaikwad and you're watching my channel. I am Pranav Ji. In this video, I am going to talk about all the major documents that you need to take for your visa interview. I hope many of you must have got their visa appointment scheduled, but even if you have not, don't worry. Just keep trying because it's said that कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, unless it's unrequited love.
It's the most beautiful feeling in the world.
Coming back to the documents list, I have divided the set of documents into two categories. One of them is the compulsory documents that you need to carry at any cost, and the other is the supporting documents. I suggest you to carry all of them, although they are not compulsory, but it's recommended. But before that, I would like you all to buy a file that has many folders. For example, I am going to use this kind of a Harmonium file. This has many compartments in it. So if you want to buy this, I'll put the link of their Amazon and Flipkart in the description below. You can check it out. Now let's start with the compulsory documents. Compulsory documents are the documents that you need to carry to the visa interview without fail, because they are going to be checked at various entry points. So you need to have them very accessible. You can even carry a separate folder for this, but I would prefer to keep it in the first compartment of my Harmonium file. These documents include your passport, your visa appointment letter, your MRV or Axis Bank receipt, your service fee receipt, your DS-160 confirmation, and your I-20 from your final institute. Now let us start with the supporting documents. In the folder 2, you can carry your affidavit of support, financial affidavit, your scholarship letters, and ITRs of both of your parents for the last 1 year if they are sponsoring you. In folder 3, keep your updated bank passbook, bank balance letter, and loan sanction letter if you've got any loan. In folder 4, you can have your public provident fund statement, your insurance policies, your mutual funds and savings, postal savings. In folder 5, you can have your gold valuation report, property valuation report. And in folder 6, you can have all of your mark sheets from your 10th standard to your degree certificate, then your GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, whichever exam you have given, their scorecards. Now in the 7th folder, you can carry your PAN card, Aadhaar card, driving license, your resume, your transcripts, and other colleges' admits and I-20s if you have received any. Now it's not compulsory to carry all of these documents that I have mentioned in the supporting ones, but it's recommended to carry, because if by chance you're the person whom the VO asks for any of these documents, you can produce them easily. Okay, then that's it for today. If you have found this video to be helpful, please leave a like and comment, and a subscribe for the future videos that would be coming. So I hope everyone gets their visa approved, and all the best for your visa appointments. Don't be scared, don't stress out, just act natural and confident. With that, this is Pranav Gaikwad signing off.